Hi my darlings, this is Ashwini. Happy 2026. Today I would love to share with you guys all the products and the finds that I have been absolutely loving lately. Here are some of my favorite products, skincare from 2025. Starting strong, I love these Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation along with the compact. They are my holy grail, guys. If you're a bride, if you're a bridesmaid, if you are a makeup enthusiast, this is for you. This blends seamlessly on my skin and it stays put all night. If you are going for a Sangeet, if you're going for any kind of event, professional event, this would be the best product for you. Even it makes, like, after I use this base, I put on this compact. What it does is it makes my base completely poreless and flawless, and if you have blemishes or any kind of skin issues, this would help you hide it. This would be that kind of a filter to your makeup, so you won't need any filter. This is the next product. This is the e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter, and if you're not living under a rock, you would obviously know about it because it went viral, because it is lightweight and you can have it put under your makeup or even on top of your makeup if you like that highlighted look on your face. So this would be wonderful as a liquid highlighter, or even as a product underneath your foundation, wherein you can have a dewy look with it. So it will give you like that glitter and flawless glow. The third makeup product would be the L'Oreal Infallable Concealer. This is a very full coverage concealer and you need very little product, and a little goes a long way. This would help you in terms of hiding any kind of blemishes, dark circles, or any kind of spots on your face, and it will give you a very flawless base. So I would recommend this product to anybody who would love to have it. Next on my list is this Laneige Cream Skin Toner, and I absolutely love this. I have gone through countless bottles of these, and this would give you unparalleled hydration, which would make you look like you have drank gallons and gallons of water. Your skin is going to look plump and hydrating, and it is also a very good base for your makeup. So like you can prep your skin with a few layers of this toner, which I do. I do like 3 to 4 layers and I let it sink inside, and then I go and put my foundation, and my skin looks absolutely flawless and I get compliments on it all the time. Next on my list is this Beauty of Joseon Ground Rice and Honey Glow Mask. I absolutely love this. This has done tremendous job on my skin because I come from a dry skin family, and I have, my skin tends to get very patchy during the winters, and this has done absolute justice to my skin. It has goodness of rice, which is a tried and tested ingredient of the old Japanese ancient Japanese times, and it not only cleanses my skin, but it tightens it and it gives me a rejuvenated feel, like my skin but so much better. The Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, you can look at this huge tub and it speaks volumes. This tells how much I love this. This not only cleanses my skin, but it also hydrates it along with it, because it has the goodness of glycerin and vitamin B3, which is amazing for your skin. So it cleanses all the gunk out of your face without stripping it of its moisture. So you can try this absolutely. This is one product I would recommend for years, because I have been using it for years and it has never failed me. Shifting my gears to hair care, my absolute favorites, the Minimalist Maleic Bond Repair Complex shampoo and mask. These two are amazing. They are very good for dry, unruly hair. They are an ultimate duo for strengthening the hair, not only from the core but also the lengths of your hair. Plus, it acts as an absolute dupe to the most expensive Olaplex, and you can get premium care at just a fraction of price. I can't leave my Schwarzkopf Bond Repair Frizz Away treatment from this list because this has been an absolute savior from 2025. During those times when my hair was completely damaged, unruly, and it had so many split ends, this came for the rescue and it gave me a salon-like finish right at home. And my last two favorites are these Madagascar Centella Probio-cica Intense Ampule, and this is a Cicaplast Baume B5 Plus by Roche-Posay. I love both of these because I suffer from dermatitis and eczema a lot, and this helps me calm my skin, the redness, the patchiness, and if you suffer from any of those, you can have these. And that completes my list of favorites from 2025, from makeup to skincare, that truly made an impact for me. Do let me know in the comments which were your favorites from this video, and also what stood out for you in the last year in terms of skincare and makeup. Also, don't forget to subscribe, girls. I would love it. Love you, my darlings.